Today I'm going to talk about human-machine autonomy in medical and humanitarian logistics in remote and infrastructure-poor settings. With the proliferation of AI and autonomous systems in the area of healthcare, military operations, logistics, and transportation, it is important to understand the degree or the level of autonomy that impacts operator and system performance. My research with uncrewed aerial systems, UAS, also known as drones, and human machine teams in healthcare can contribute to DHS system performance in oil spills, oil tank inspection, um, emergency management, and search and rescue missions in the Arctic. Partnering with Upstate University Medical Center, I was able to collect data from the UAS, sensors on the UAS, and then also obtain data from operator performance with surveys and observations. What we were really concerned was looking at how increasing levels of autonomy impact system performance, operator performance, situation awareness, and how environmental factors and operator demographics also influence these as well under varying levels of autonomy. So the empirical data that we received, that we obtained, shows that there's links between increased levels of autonomy and system performance. This resulted in higher endurance, lower consumption, less waypoint deviation, but we also found that there were few operator differences in track keeping, perception, and situation awareness. Differences between the BVLOS, which we call beyond visual line of sight, and VLOS flights suggest that there's greater efficiency with higher levels of autonomy. Now, if you look at the graph here, VLOS efficiency, visual line of sight, and endurance were consistent across both morning and afternoon flights. BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight efficiency, varied across both AM and PM flights, afternoon, AM in the morning and PM flights. BVLOS endurance showed that it was higher over a longer distance. So we concluded that with this empirical quasi experiment, that USA performance improved with autonomy, but it was still a small data set. And operator performance and situation awareness were not supported. And there's further research needed to obtain data on high autonomy impacts on operator and UAS performance. Thank you.